In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Drive wallpapers. Whether you're looking to refresh your computer background or want to save some stunning visuals from your collection, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. Let's get started by opening your preferred browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you normally use. In the search bar, type in Google Drive and hit Enter. This will bring up a list of results. What you're looking for is the official Google Drive link. You'll recognize it by the URL that starts with https://drive.google.com/. Clicking on this will take you directly to Google Drive's homepage. If you're already logged into your Google account, Drive will welcome you with all your stored files. Otherwise, you'll need to log in using your Google credentials. Most of the time, your account might already be signed in if you use Google services regularly, so no need to fret over forgotten passwords or usernames. Now that you're in, the next step is to find the specific wallpaper file or folder you wish to download. Navigate through your files, and once you've located the desired wallpaper, click to select it. If it's a standalone image, great. If it's a folder containing multiple wallpapers, even better. With your selection in hand, go ahead and right-click on the file or folder. You'll see a drop-down menu appear with various options. Look for and select the Download option. What happens next depends on whether you've chosen a single image or multiple files. For a single image, the download should start immediately, placing your wallpaper in your browser's usual download location, such as your Downloads folder. If you're downloading a collection of wallpapers, Google Drive will automatically compress these files into a .zip archive before downloading. It's essential to know how to handle this, so here's a brief explanation. Once the zip file is fully downloaded, you'll need to extract or unzip it to access the individual wallpaper files. Most operating systems, like Windows or Mac OS, allow you to do this easily. Typically, you can simply double-click the zip file to open it, and then drag the files to your desired location on your computer. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to download wallpapers from Google Drive. Remember, once you've downloaded and extracted your files, you can move them to any directory you prefer, whether it's to a specialized folder for wallpapers, or perhaps straight to your desktop image selection. Personalizing your space has never been easier. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this step-by-step tutorial. Happy downloading, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips.